Okay, so time in Japanese, the word time is jikan. Okay. Now for hour, we say jikan. Jikan means time. At the same time, jikan also means hour. So if I want to say 1 hour, it's going to be ichijikan. Okay. Then minute is pun or fun. Minute, the word is pun or fun. If you remember this kanji, you have already learned, right? Kanji of minute,
Mhm.
pun. So jikan is hour or minute. Pun or fun is, jikan is hour and pun is minute. Now, ichi jikan. If you are adding number with the word jikan, that is 1 hour. Okay. 2 hours will be
Mhm.
ni jikan. 3 hours will be san jikan. 4 hours yojikan. 5 hours gojikan. Like that, Rokujikan, Nanajikan, or Shichijikan, Hachijikan, Kujikan, Jujikan, Nanjikan. Now, this is for time duration. When we are talking about hour and minutes, we are talking about time duration. This is not the clock time which we are talking about, right?
Mhm.
When I say Nijikan Benkyou Shimashita. So, Nijikan Benkyou Shimashita is I studied for 2 hours.
Mhm.
Okay. Then say Tokyo kara Osaka made 3 時間 kakarimasu. It takes 3 hours from Tokyo to Osaka. So that is time duration I am talking about. Okay. Now pun and fun. For some of the words it is pun. Otherwise it is fun. Now this you have to remember specifically. For example, ichi, san, roku, and hachi and juppun or jippun. So these five, yon also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are pun. Otherwise, the word is fun. Do you recognize this fu? And this is pu. Okay, so remember ichi, san, yon, roku, hachi, and ju. These are pun. Otherwise, it is going to be fun.
The
For
pun is
chicken, hmm?
PU and Ichi-san, Roku, Hachi, Yon, and Jo is PU and Pun, no?
Pun.
Or B. P or B.
Here
P
it is
for Pun.
not, here it is not B. In some of the words, yes. Like yaku, it's san byaku. In this, in minutes, it's only two sounds, either fu or pu. Here, b sound is not there. But yes, what you're saying is correct. In some series, like yaku, 100. If you're saying 300, it's san byaku.
Mm.
So sometimes that b sound also comes in some of the series, but in minutes it is not there. It is pun or fun. Okay. Then next is, now this is, we are talking about time duration. When we are talking 1 hour, 15 minutes, 2 hours. So I'll tell you how to. Oh, yes. Then now telling clock time. We say o'clock in English, right? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 1 o'clock is going to be ichi ji. 2 o'clock ni ji. 3 o'clock san ji. So ji is for o'clock. Okay. Now if I want to say 8 o'clock, how would you say that?
Hachi, Ji.
Hachi ji. Okay. And we know that minutes is pun or fun. Here
Yes.
also it's going to be same. So now if I want to say the time is say 9:20. Now tell me how would you tell this time in Japanese?
Hyuji, Niju, Nijupun.
Yes. Kuji Nijupun. Okay. That is 9:20. Now, how do we say AM, PM? When we talk about time, this is obvious, right? AM or PM. AM is Gozen.
Golden and Gogo.
Yes. Do you know these words? Gozen.
No, yesterday I studied that noon kanji, so there it
Right.
was.
Very good.
Mm.
Gozen, Gogo. So Gozen, Zen is my or before. So Gozen is before noon. That's going to be morning. Gogo, afternoon. That's going to be PM. Note it? AM is Gozen, PM is Gogo. Now, if I want to say time is 7:40 AM. Tell me how will you tell this?
Tanaji, Yojupun,
Yes. Okay. Your Jupun, that is 40, 7:40. And
Gozen.
yes, now Gozen or Gogo, you're going to say it first. So it's going to be Gozen Nanaji Yonjupun. Or Gogo, if it is 7:40 PM, then it's going to be Gogo Shichiji Yonjupun. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. So this is for telling time, like clock time we are talking about. Have you understood? Time duration and clock time. These two are different things, right? So when we are talking about time duration, we are using jikan and pun or fun. When we are talking about clock time, we are talking about ji and pun or fun. Yes?
Yes.
Now going back to